ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ॐ अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं गुरुदेवदेव। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। We are seeing Dakshinamurti Stotram. Dakshinamurti is nothing but Lord Shiva only. The speciality of this stotram is Tattva Rupena Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji portraying this is Shiva, this is Shiva, this is Shiva. After seeing all the verses, people they say there is no Trinetradhari, there is no Jatadhari, there is no Gangadhari Swamiji, but you said it is the stotram of Dakshinamurti. This is the stotram of Dakshinamurti only. This Dakshinamurti is Nirguna Nirakara Dakshinamurti. So we will read these dhyana slokams together. Mauno vyakhya prakatita parabrahma tattvam yuvanam varishishthante vasadrishiganaihi avrutam brahmanishthaihi Acharyendram karakalita chinmudramanandarupam swatma ramam mudita vadanam dakshinamurti mide vatavitapi samipe bhumi bhage nishannam sakala munijananam jnanadataram Tribhuvana Gurumisham Dakshinamurti Devam Janana Marana Dukkha Cheda Daksham Namami. चित्रं वटतरोर्मूले वृद्धा शिष्या गुरुर्युवा गुरोस्तु मौनं व्याख्यानं शिष्यास्तु छिन्न संशयाः निधये सर्वविद्यानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम नमः प्रणवार्धाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। विश्वं दर्पणदृश्यमान नगरी तुल्यं निजान्तर्गतम् पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं यथा निद्रया यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोधसमये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। This is the first verse in this beautiful stotram, Dakshinamurti stotram. Dakshinamurti presented as a Jivan Mukta Purusha, as a realized soul in the first verse. What is the condition of the realized master? Yaha. Yaha means that Dakshinamurti, that realized master, that Jivan Mukta Purusha, Sakshat Kurute. He got Sakshatkaram. Generally, when people write books, Moksham is equal to Atma Sakshatkaram. That word we use. Sakshatkaram means he realized his self. Sakshat Kurte. When Swamiji it will happen? Prabodha Samaye. Prabodha Samaye means when the knowledge is settled very, 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 very well. Prakrushta Bodha Samaye. Not any particular time, not any particular place, not any particular age also. Prabodha Samaya means clear understanding of this knowledge when it happens. That time he realized. What he realized, Swamiji? Swatmanam. Swatmanam means he himself. Eva. Swatmanam eva. Advayam. Advaya means he himself realized as a non-dual truth. He did all the Sravanam so many years. Our Acharyaji used to say, we should do Shravanam for 10 years. We should not miss all Upanishads, Prasthanatraya, complete Bhagavad Gita, all Bhagavad Padas, Prakarana Granthas, and Brahma Sutras also. How much time, Swamiji? 10 years we should do complete Sravanam, 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 Vedanta Sravanam. If we do that practice, then no need to do Mananam and Dhyanam. Knowledge will be very, very clear. We ourselves come to know, I am that non-dual truth. Swatmanam eva advayam, that realization that master got. So there is no plurality for him. There is no duality for him. Whatever he sees that oneness only. other names and forms and reflections, everything are a projection on that truth. That is his understanding. If anything, if you want to say plurality is there, he says it is just a projection of intellect only. The truth is unshaken, stable, nischala satyam. That he understood. Sakshat kurute prabodha samaye swatmanam eva advayam. And the student got up. Guruji, Guruji, if only Advayam is there, Advayam means there is no two, there are no two. Then what about this Vishwam? What about this world? Once somebody asked Pujya Guruji, one student asked Pujya Guruji, he is explaining this way only. Only Satyam, only Satyam, only Satyam. Anytime truth, truth, truth alone is there, that is non-dual, non-dual truth. Then the student asked, Guruji, Guruji, what about this world? I am experiencing this world. Then the Guru says, first you understand, I am not experiencing this world. For me, there is no word. But you said, you are experiencing this world. So there are so many theories to explain what is this world. And then what is this world? Then that is called Srishti theory in Vedanta also. So many theories are there for Srishti. They say 84 theories are there. Srishti Siddhanta. Ekavada, Bahuvada, Ekajivavada, Bahujivavada. These are all called Srishti Siddhanta Vada. Then Guru, he wants to explain about what is this Vishwam, what is this universe. So he says, Vishwam means this entire world is like Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam. This is very, very, very famous statement. This is called one theory called Darpana theory. Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam. This is like a city reflected in a mirror. Darpana means mirror. Nagari means city. Tulyam means it is like. For example, there is a big mirror. In that mirror, one Nagari is reflected, one city is reflected. So you can see very, 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 very clearly the entire city in that mirror. I know? So the status of Vishwam is like, listen carefully. The status of Vishwam is like that city which is reflected in the mirror. In the mirror. In the same way, you say, for example, if anybody asks, where is the world? What we say? World is outside. World is outside. World is outside, we say. if anybody asks us, where is the world? We say world is outside. But Bhagavan Shankaracharya, he is saying no. Nijantargatam. World is not outside. World is antargatam. Antargatam is completely inside. For whom, Swamiji? Nija. Nija means the person who is asking where is the world, to him only. To that jiva, to that sadhaka. You must understand world is not outside. World is completely inside only. Nijantargatam. Completely inside means, Swamiji, the Himalaya Parvatas also inside only. Entire city is also in me only, not outside. Surya, Chandra, Adi, Ityadi, Graha also in me only, not outside. And the Guru says, yes, exactly the entire world is Nijantargatam. It is not outside. Student said, no. Because here is the play of our buddhi. We completely identify with this physical body as me. So, and then we think something inside this physical body is okay, that I can accept as inside. Something outside the physical body, I don't accept it is as my relevant object or my relevant persons. It is completely different from me. Because his identification with this physical body, he himself treating as this body. Because of this understanding only, he is not ready to accept world is inside, not outside. But here Guru is saying, no, this Vishwam is like a city in the mirror. First you understand. And Nijantargatam. Nijantargatam means there is no world outside. The entire world is in you. In me. Pashyan Atmani. Not only in me, I am experiencing the entire world. Pashyan means here I am experiencing the entire world also in me only. Experience also in me, and the world staying also in me only. I am the support for the entire world. At the same time, the experience of the entire world experience also in me only. Pashyan Atmani. In me only, complete world is there. I know, Pashyan Atmani. Then Swamiji, why we feel, world is outside and, it's an outside object. I am experiencing it is in outside. There is one concept is there. Pashyan Atmani Mayaya Bahi Ivaha. There is a concept called Maya. This Maya making such a way that this world is outside. Bahihi Iva. Iva means as though this world existed other than you. Outside of you. That concept is given by the Maya. Mayaya Bahihi Iva. See, this thought is completely understandable and against to our regular experience. Bhagavan Shankaracharya, he is not saying world is there or not. No, no, no. World is not at all in the outside. It is completely inside you only. Here only you are experiencing. Nothing outside. It is like yadha nidraya. Yadha nidraya means when you sleep. When you sleep, you dream. In the dream, there is a dreamer. The dreamer, if you ask him, what are you doing? He is saying, I am swimming in the ocean. He is doing swimming in the ocean. So there, if you ask him, the waters of the ocean, how? He said, yeah, it is very salty and infinite ocean is there. See that sunlight is there. So many people are there in the beach. Generally, every Sunday like this only it happens. Because Sunday is a holiday. Morning, I take coffee and I take the swimming suit and I come and swim in the beach. So entire world is there. He is experiencing. They are different. Ocean is different. Sun is different. I am different. Coffee is different. But the fact is, the entire dream world, whatever different features, different names and forms, everything is in you only. The same status for this Jagrata Jagat also. Same as it is. There, the dream boy was there. Here, he is the dream boy who identified with this physical body and its relations and its limitations and its likes and dislikes. This little fellow, he is the dreamer of this world. I have a pakka body, Swamiji. What are you talking? I am this body. And it is solid. That is ocean with waters. That is sun with light. These are all the people with names and forms in different countries, different money, different transactions, everything. This world is there, Swamiji. He is saying, this fellow is, this boy is the dreamer of this entire Vishwa. Sometimes he says, inside is something is there, outside is something is there, world is there. This is all because of Mayaya. Not really. Not Satyataha. Mayaya Bahihi Iva. As though this is all outside and they are different, I am different, and so many. Some Jada Padartha, some big Padartha, them small Padartha. This is all because of Mayaya, but not true. So this is the understanding of that realized master. See, you are not body means you are not body 100%. That is called understanding. That is called experience. If I am not body, then who am, Swamiji? Advayam. One homogeneous single piece me. There is no chance at all for the world to play. Because there is no Dvaitam, there is no second object. How it can be possible? If anybody says it is there, it is like a city in the mirror. In the mirror, you see city. But fact thinker In the mirror, actually there is no city. You touch, city is inside the mirror. No, mirror always mirror only. But as long as you have the ignorance, you say city is there, Swamiji. How can city be inside the mirror? It is completely illogic. City cannot be inside the mirror. Mirror cannot accommodate city because its nature, its status is different, whereas your experience of world is different. In that Nagari, there may be a lake, but mirror cannot be wet. In that Nagari, there may be a big light, but mirror cannot be light. It is the same cool piece. So there is no chance for that Nagari to stay in the mirror. In the same way, there is no chance for the world, there is no chance for the reality of the world to stay in the Brahma. So finally, what do you want to say, Swamiji? I want to say, there is no world really. Like there is no city really inside the mirror. But I am seeing means you are seeing because of this Maya. Maya concept is making as though there is a world in Brahma. He realized that truth. That's why Vedanta is very, very great science. No individuals, no manyness, no objects, no qualities. This is all because of Maya. Truth is mirror, mirror, mirror only. Keval Advaya Brahma only. Yadha Nidraya, Bhagavan Shankaracharya is saying, in dream also every day you are experiencing. Dream world, dream people, dream boy. That you cannot say he is real. Here also same. Here also same. This fellow comes and he says, this is. And his science is there because he believes it. 100 years I live. I have a solid family. His science is this. So he believes it. If you believe it, it doesn't mean it should be truth. Truth is completely different. It is also projection of Maya. Intellect only projecting. I, body, objects, this, that, and so many colorful presentations. Continuously it is giving. You are playing because you don't know who you are, in fact. So, the entire drama is because of Maya. Not there are two, Brahma and Vishwam in real, all the time Brahma one. Swamiji, you said the entire drama is because of Maya. Then many people, they have written commentary on this Dakshinamurti Stotram you said. So what type of definition they have given to this Maya? Because if we understand clearly about Maya, then we can get away from that concept of Maya. Particularly to this Stotram, many people, they have written commentary. They have written definition for Maya. Listen, they said, if anybody asks what is Maya, the first answer is Maya is Shuddha Chaitanya Asraya. Shuddha Chaitanya Asraya means the support for Maya is not Jiva. Because you may ask, Swamiji, am I the cause for Maya? Not Jiva is not the cause for Maya. Ishvara also not cause for Maya. So the Asraya of Maya is Brahma. Because Ishvara and Jiva are the products of Maya. See, Maya Devi is very, very lengthy. Even Ishvara concept also is a product of Maya only. Jiva concept also product of Maya only. Jagat concept also product of Maya only. So they cannot be cause for the Maya. Then who is the cause for the Maya, Swamiji? Cause nahi. Who is the support for the Maya, Swamiji? Brahma only support. Shuddha Brahma Asraya Maya. Rope only support for the snake. When you confused rope as a snake, rope only support for the snake. Not snake color, not snake size, not snake eyes. Because they are all the product of the snake. I know? First definition. Shuddha Chaitanya Asraya, one, Maya. Second, Eka. They said, one more definition we are giving. Maya is Eka. Eka means like darkness. Maya is like darkness. Like darkness means, Swamiji, is it black color? No, not that way. Like darkness means, actually, whatever we say, this is dark, this is dark, this is dark. This room is very dark, Swamiji. Actually, there is no room for the darkness. If you don't give room to light, then that will become a dark. So absence of light is called darkness. So here Eka means Maya is nothing but absence of knowledge. If knowledge is there, she cannot be there. That is another definition. If somebody says Maya is there, that means knowledge is not there. You cannot give room to Maya if you have a knowledge. That is the contradiction. Eka means darkness. And one more is there. That is, Maya is Anadi. Anadi means Utpatti Rahityam, beginningless. Maya is not started sometime. Utpatti Rahityam means, generally we say, Swamiji, I born 1977. So that is called Utpatti. Maya is Anadi. It never born at all. Why, Swamiji? Because it is not a fact. It is completely an illusion only. If something is solid, then we can say it born, it stayed, it died. Whereas this Maya, it is a concept only. It cannot get solidity. So Anadi means, why Swamiji doesn't have birth? Because it is not at all a solid thing. It is a confusion, that's all. Confusion is because of you have not clearly seen. You have not clearly studied. That's why confusion came. It is not a particular thing, born because of that. You cannot say that way. Maya is a confusion. That's why it is anadi. As long as that confusion is there, so long we misbehave. We misbehave as a body. We misbehave as a little fellow. This misbehavior is because of that confusion. That confusion is because of you don't have knowledge. Anadi. And one more point, they said, Maya is Santaha. It is beginningless, but it has an end. Sa Antaha. Antaha means it has an end. A room is completely dark, dark, dark. There is no particular time for this dark birth of the darkness. But if you put a light in that room, then entire darkness will be end because light is there. That's why we need not worry. Swamiji, I am suffering from Maya, suffering from Maya. So if you get the knowledge, and this Maya will go away. Santaha. And finally, Satta Asat Satasatabhyam Anirvachaniyam. You cannot say Maya is true. At the same time, you cannot say Maya is false also. Sat means it is truth. Asat means it is false. Both ways you cannot say Maya. Sat means they say Trikale Tishtati iti Sat. It should not change in the past and present in the future. That kind of material you can call as Maya. No, you can call as Sat. But Maya doesn't belong to that way. If you realize, it will evaporate. It is not Sat. At the same time, it is not Asat also. Asat means completely, which is not in our experience. That is called Asat. For example, horns of a rabbit. Gurudev always used to say. Horns of a rabbit, it is Asat because we never experienced that kind of rabbit. That is called Asat. But every day we are experiencing Maya. Pain is coming, pleasure is coming, sorrow is coming, everything is coming, plurality is coming, raga, dvesha, jealousy, they are coming and attacking. I am experiencing. We are experiencing Maya. It cannot be Satta, it cannot be Asat. Then what is this, Swamiji? Maya is Mithya. Mithya means it is an illusion like a big water pond in the desert. In fact, there is no water pond in the desert, but we are experiencing. I am seeing with my eyes, Swamiji, beautiful water is there. Mithya means that. Because you don't have, even though if you have the knowledge of Maya and Brahma also, this mirrors you see, but you don't disturbed by that mirrors because you know it is not there. Mithya means that is. Experience will be there, but the fact is we know that it is not there. Satta Asatbhyam Anirvachaniyam. You cannot say Maya is Satta. You cannot say Maya is Asatta. Maya is Mithya. This word coined by Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji. That way he says Brahma Satyam Jagat Mithya. Mithya means what, Swamiji? We experience every day. You cannot say I am not experiencing world, but at the same time, it is not fact also. This man, he understood because Prabodha Samaye. Prabodha Samya means because he got a prakrishta jnanam, clear understanding between the truth and the untruth. Viveki Purusha, Mahatma, that Advaya Satyam, he understood. Slowly, world both happens at once only. When sun came, night gone. And in the same way, when the knowledge came and the ignorance about the world means including this physical body, this individuality, and everything will go. We are not ready to leave actually our ignorance. Swamiji, what is going to happen to me? If I lose my individuality, I am solid, the little fellow, Swamiji. This is completely false. World means from ego, mind, intellect, body, its likes, dislikes, and its Shabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasagandha, the Prapancha, everything Vishwamon. This Vishwam is Darpana Drishyamana Nagari. The Darpana is the same clear Niranjana. But there is it has a reflection because of Maya. But city cannot be in the mirror. Vishwam cannot be in the Brahman. As long as Maya is there, so long there is a claim of the student. So teacher, slowly he should lift him. Here only, everything, mechanism, operation, all operation here only. You shift from here to there. Then our entire problem will be ended. One day, Kabir Das ji, he is a realized person, but very, very simple farmer. Very, very simple. Grahast Kutumbi only. One day, he is doing this paddy plucking and putting in his field. One great seeker, he came. He asked that village people, where is Kabir Das ji? Everybody is glorifying. Kabir ji is a great bhakta, great jnani. So I want to meet him. And they said, Kabir, okay. He is working in that field. Go and meet him. He is Kabir Das. This man went and he did namaskar. And Kabir ji is doing his work. He said, Mahatma, I have visited so many masters, but I could not understand my real identity. I could not understand my real identity clearly. Can you explain? Then Kabir Das ji said, see here what I am doing. Here Kabir Das, if you see that paddy thing, when they come to this size, they pluck from that field, and again we have to put a group of this thing somewhere. Then only it will grow. Like this. You pluck here and put here. Then paddy will grow. You pluck here and put here, paddy will grow. See here, he said. That Mahatma, that great seeker, first shot only he understood what his mistake. He is keeping himself here. As long as you keep yourself in this area, you cannot understand. So what should you do? Remove your ego from here. From here means in this limited individuality, limited conditionings and everything. And put it in that knowledge. which is saying you are Janma Rahita, Bandha Rahita, Shashwata. You are not a man, you are not an woman. You are not a Sukhi, Dukhi, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Kuch bhi nahi aapko. Mano, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chittani, Naham, Chidananda, Rupaha, Shivoham, Shivo. There also Aham on. That Aham says, Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Put it. Then you will understand. Then clarity will come. That I, you pluck from here and put here, then everything will prabodha samaye sakshat kurte swatmanam eva advayam. The same I is advaya, advaya I. When it changed, and that Mahatma, he left there only. So this is the understanding of Brahma and Maya. We sit here, we touch here, we play with, and we give reality also. And then we want to understand that area. Actually, our identity is that, not this, because they are always changing. It is a projection of intellect only. This limited buddhi only, projecting everything. Still, we don't want to leave. Because the amount of knowledge, whatever we needed to settle here, that much we have not gathered. That's why I said in the beginning, if you do long Sravanam, continuously long Sravanam, if you do, slowly each one will settle. Okay. Hari Om. Manas bhajare Guru Charanam. Manas bhajare Guru Charanam. Dustara bhava sagara taranam. Dustara bhava sagara taranam. Guru Maharaj, Guru Jai Jai. Guru Maharaj, Guru Jai Jai. Swaminatha Sadguru Jai Jai. Swaminatha Sadguru Jai Jai. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva, Aruna Shivo. Arunachala Shiva, Aruna Shivo. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om. Har Har Namah Parvati Pataye. Har Har Mahadev. Sri Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.